So it looks like we've hit a little bit of a milestone with 40 subscribers over a period of 5 days, pushing us just over 200 subscribers total a year in. So thanks everybody for that. That video seemed quite popular, so thank you for following and supporting. Comments and likes on Fatwood's cousin video we just put up. But given that it looks like the people have spoken and you guys are a bunch of firebugs, let's get into today's video and I'll show you how to make a fire wick. So going to need some paraffin wax, some kind of boiling receptacle, some petroleum jelly. Let's call it a 4-inch piece of tubing. This is like a tin or whatever, but PVC conduit tubing will do as well. Going to need a way to melt this stuff down. So generally a fire, but we're in the midst of a fire ban. So we'll make do as best we can. It's a good thing we know what we're doing. Got your petroleum jelly. Throw it on the fire, boil it down. Once your petroleum jelly is rendered, just take it off the fire. Right, and we're gonna need a section of rope. Call it 1.5 to 2 feet in length. And you're gonna take your rope and just soak it in there. And then once that's all nice and gross, you'll wanna set it aside somewhere while you deal with your paraffin. Pot your paraffin, get it on the fire. Once your paraffin's all nice and rendered down into a liquid, pull it off. Where's the rope? Remember where you put your rope. Grab your rope. Doing a little dressed coil wrap. Throw your rope in. Let it soak in. Saturate that rope. And once your paraffin is dry, with your petroleum jelly, you're going to end up with a stiff little thing like this, which is completely malleable. So now you're going to want to take your tube and run your rope through it. Light it up. I think I may have actually used this rope and set up the ends originally with beeswax, so let that burn off. So now that it's lit, this thing ain't going out. It's gonna splatter everywhere, but it ain't going out in the wind. To extinguish, just slide your tube up. It's done. We'll also light off of a ferro rod. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Maybe a little more effective use for paper straws. That's going to take a minute.